Game na.
Ano? Ito, bebe.
Oh no, the eye. The wawa.
Kawawa.
The eye.
Wow, that is so cute.
His name is this.
What's the name?
His name, I don't know how to read this.
It's
Hailey.
Hailey.
I like the name of it.
Hello, Hailey. Hailey the squishy.
I like the hay.
Is it soft?
Yes.
Happy?
I will put it in my desk.
Yes. Are you happy?